I was going to say.
It is free, but we picked up the numbers, so it's
The next train to Midland departs in 6 minutes. The train runs express to Midland.
Back again with another video. Today I'm at Guildford Station, doing the Midland Station first train from Guildford, running express to Midland. Right, so lemon in the front, and I don't know the back one. Alright, let's board the train. There we go. One job. Just on the whole Midland. On the first Midland first train. Oh, we got Roger. And Rita. Hi Rita.
How you going?
Pretty good.
Thank you.
For the state rich. That's right.
Hi, how are you?
Hey Rita. Let me ask.
Thank you.
Did I do?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, how you going? We're gonna hey. Come in, how are you? It's gonna get a bit squeezy.
Alright guys, next room, I just need to get the camera in. Sorry, just watch the thing just for 1 second. Who's next to you? That's just my nightmare, is someone getting clocked in the head by a TV camera.
Nothing's changed.
Okay, girls. Oh my gosh. Are you coming out? You ready?
I got you. Did you ever
That's good. The usual madness.
Yeah, she got us all in. And then the right arm went out. But I did the other one. Oh my god, it's so I know,
Where am I?
I'm going to sit. Very
Sorry. You're right, sweet as well. Sorry.
Take photos with the minister.
No. Is it either real centre? Oh, okay.
Alright, we're passing the level crossing.
We want
Can't get them out.
Guys, can we move back a little bit? That's very different.
Just there's 2 seats here. Shot.
So this is all the media. There's Premier right there.
No, boys, we're going to need you to come back this way.
And there is the trainees arriving in Midland station. That's Aquafield.
Get a shot sitting down.
And that's the Premier right there.
Now we're going express through Woodbridge. But we have to obey the signal, I think. Yeah, it's a red signal.
Wait for the presentation though.
So I think we gotta obey the red signal.
Woodbridge, not
So Woodbridge, looking for us. Smart Rider readers. But that's about it on Woodbridge.
So where is the Chinese at Woodbridge now? And Premier and everyone.
I had to go off and
Thank you.
we're in that Woodbridge.
Yeah. Next stop.
I'll try it from this way, ready?
Another level crossing.
I'm looking to do that.
When they're on the platform.
There's a TV camera.
The main one I want is.
Alright, the new Midland multi-story, multi-level car park, and this was the old Midland station. So This is the only remains of old Midland Station.
This was.
Now we're on the new corridor now. So I was here on 3 weeks ago. We were doing the last video. So this was Midland platform 1 and 2 and 3. This is crazy. And now it's just a piece of a pile of sand, really. Right. Well, we're arriving at Midland. Bike shelter. Very, very nice. Nova 937, wow. Okay. Right, welcome to Midland, everyone.
Still listen to us.
Yay. Right, the doors open on the left side of the train.
Right, yeah, recently passed away. Yes.
Yay. Welcome to Midland, everyone. So we're at Midland platform, I don't know, and that looks very weird. Holy. Meet me at Midland. That was like Microsoft Word. Okay, anyways. Hello. And anyways, we made it to Midland. Yeah. A series set 1, no, set 11 on the first car. Excuse me. And first people on the escalator. I know. I don't know what set that is at the back, but there's a lot of sets at the back. I don't know. Okay.
Good to see you. Oh, you haven't got a bloody
Alright, we got Rita on the escalator. Oh, stopping on the escalator. Let the media first. Media has priority, obviously. So, yeah. Okay. Very escalator safe. Totally. Right.
Let's go up.
Let's head on.
You want to look? We'll come back down to the platform.
I know. This won't leave me alone.
Alright, anyways, thank you guys for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment, whatever. Join the transport talk community, and follow my Instagram. Alright, bye bye.